Today we're working on replacing the window coupling for the rear windows of a silver Spur. This job typically costs between $900 and I've heard up to $2,000 at a technician repair shop. Today I'm going to show you how to do it for under $25. As many of you know, this is a very, very common issue on our Royce and Bentley cars. The windows go down very slow, or they go up very slow, or they don't go up and down at all. Let's take a deep dive into how to do this repair in under an hour. For this step, you want to use a plastic trim pry tool. There are clips behind the trim that snap into the door. So just get the pry tool and shimmy it up and in until you kind of feel the clip, and just you'll hear it pop. It'll just pop right off. There's about 8 clips total. This is the connector for the cigarette lighter. Just pull on that, it'll pop right off. For this step, you're going to want to peel back the vapor barrier to expose the window motor, whereby we can change the coupling. This is also a good time to grease the window chain. It looks like a bicycle chain. Now, as we start to take the motor out, you will see inside the coupling. It's a plastic coupling, which you can buy from Flying Spares or Intro Car. They cost about $10 each. You only need one per window. And over time, they get brittle. They can crack. They get worn down. So this is the first thing to check when you're having issues with your window, because it's the simplest repair and it's the least expensive approach. Now we're going to want to grease the new coupling. Grease it generously. And then it's also a good idea to blow out the housing, just because if it's brittle, like mine was, there might be some plastic in there. So blow it out, and then you'll want to install the new greased coupling. Make sure that it sits on the little spinning wheel inside. It should go right in, shouldn't be sticking out at all. And then there's another spinner on the motor itself. Line that up so that way it sits right inside the coupling. And at this point, we'll just want to reattach and reinstall the door. For this part, this is the slightly tricky part of getting the clips back into the holes. You'll just need to get behind the trim. You can see here, just snap it right in. There's about 8 or 9 clips all around the trim. Just line them all up and the trim will be flush with the door. There should be no looseness at all. As you can see, the job was a success and the window now powers up and down smoothly with no more issues. Thank you for watching.